The monkey and the fox. A monkey and a fox were friends. One day,
Look, those people are carrying lots of food, bananas, sugarcane, milk, jaggery, and guava.
We must have them.
I think I have an idea. Let's make some frightening sounds.
here we go. Quack, quack. Wow, wow. Quack, quack. Wow, wow.
Oh, tigers and bears are dead. Run! Run for your life! Run!
Friend, I feel they may come back. Let me take the things up the tree. Help me, will you?
Not a bad idea. That's with me.
I will have my share. I will send down your share. Here, goes your banana.
Oh, I am the side.
That is your share of milk.
Oh, I am the side.
The fox went away sadly. A few days later, the fox was sitting by a beehive.
Hey, what are you doing here?
Don't you see? I am guarding the king's drum. It is an order from the king himself.
The king's drum? Can I play it just once?
Of course not. The king will kill me.
Come on, friend. I will play it softly. The king would not hear it.
Okay, then remember softly and only once.
The monkey strikes at the beehive. A swarm of bees attacks him. The fox watches happily.
Oh, they will kill me. Oh.
Oh, scraps. You gave me the banana peel, remember? Ha 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 ha.